In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create README file in Bitbucket. We'll start by signing in. Open Bitbucket in your browser and log in with your Atlassian account. On the sign in page, choose the Google option, then select your Google account to continue. Use whichever login method your organization supports. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. Next, open the repository where you want the README to live. From the left sidebar, click Repositories to see your list, then choose the repository you have in mind. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding. Inside the repository, look for the More Actions menu. That's the three dots near the top right. Click it and choose Add File. This opens the online editor so you can create a new file directly on the default branch. In the file name field, type readme.md. The .md extension tells Bitbucket this is a markdown file, and it will automatically render it on the repository's homepage. Spelling and capitalization matter here. Readme.md is the conventional name most tools look for. Now write your README content in the editor using Markdown. Start with a clear project title and a short description. You can add headings with hash symbols, lists for features or requirements, fenced code blocks for examples, and links to documentation or issues. Keep it concise but helpful. Consider sections like installation, usage, configuration, and license. If you need to come back later, that's fine. You can edit this file anytime. Before you save, add a commit message that briefly describes what you're doing. For example, add initial README with overview and usage. Good commit messages make history easier to understand for teammates and for your future self. When you're ready, click Commit. Depending on your settings, Bitbucket may show a confirmation or summary screen. If it does, click Commit again to finalize. The change is committed to the branch shown at the top of the editor, typically main, and Bitbucket will take you back to the repository view. You should now see your README rendered automatically on the repository's landing page. If something doesn't look right, click the file and use Edit to make adjustments, then commit again. That's it, Wikrat. You've created a README in Bitbucket without leaving your browser. Thanks for watching and happy documenting. Keep iterating on the content so it stays accurate as your project evolves.